Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best remote car starters on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Viper Responder LC3 two-way remote start and alarm system. If you have ever been in the market for a car alarm, you have likely heard of Viper. The company also offers a few remote starter options, including the Responder LC3, which is a two-way remote start and alarm system. Boasting an impressive 1-mile range, this kit's primary remote features a large LCD with an onboard lithium-ion battery with micro USB recharging. The system also includes a one-way long-range remote. Although expensive, the remote allows you to command and monitor your vehicle unlike any other kit on the market. Along with clear text labels on the large LCD screen, there's priority user interface that uses 5 buttons to control 24 functions. When in remote start mode, the Responder LC3 will display temperature if active temp check has been selected. This way, you can see the actual temperature of your vehicle's interior before trying to get inside. Other features incorporated into this system include D2D serial data port, virtual touch, flex relays on board for remote start and light flash, control center, and priority user interface and features, which include smart start, timer start, runtime reset, temp check, and silent mode 2 siren less alarming modes. Number 2. Our second best pick is Compustar two-way remote start and alarm bundle. Boasting a 3,000-foot max range, this package is a two-way remote start and alarm bundle from Compustar. The CS7900 AS includes a two-way interactive LCD remote, the CM600 control module, shock sensor, siren, and LED. This will allow you to lock and start your vehicle from a distance, with the remote providing visual and audible cues when commands are sent successfully. With this system, you're able to add door, hood, trunk, and impact sensors all around your vehicle for added security. If there is a breach, the LCD remote will let you know what's going on near and around your vehicle. The alarm siren is nice and loud, rated at over 105 dB. Like most remote starter and alarm bundles, this kit should be installed by a professional unless you really know your way around wiring. Number 3. Our third best pick is Crimestopper Cool Start two-way remote start system. Capable of working up to 3,000 feet away is Crimestopper's Cool Start two-way remote start system. This system is a two-way FM/FM paging remote engine starting system that uses a two-way rechargeable LCD transmitter and a one-way sidekick transmitter to operate. The two-way transmitter features a brushed aluminum and titanium finish, along with a standard USB in-wall charger. On the LCD pager, there is an out-of-range notification along with a remote start runtime countdown. The display also has notifications for real-time confirmation of lock, unlock, and trunk pop. Other features on this system include twin data ports, tachometer sensing, horn honk, and extra auxiliary outputs through data when used with a data module. This remote starter kit is compatible with manual transmissions, diesel engines, and OEM remotes. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Compustar one-way remote start and keyless entry. If you're looking for another budget option, consider Compustar's CS900 AS, which is a one-way remote start and keyless entry system. This kit comes with a pair of one-way remotes with 4 buttons each and works through the CM900 control module. Compatible with diesel engines, the CS900 AS has a 1,000-foot max range, which is a bit limited compared to other options. With this system, you'll be able to remotely start your vehicle, lock and unlock your doors, and also access a pair of auxiliary outputs for power sliding door control using a combination of buttons. Valet mode, horn honks, and passive/active arming functions can be turned on and off using other button combinations. One thing to note, the CS900 AS is only compatible with automatic and CVT transmission vehicles only. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Prestige 2-way LCD remote start and alarm. An affordable, 2-way remote start system with an alarm is offered by Prestige. With this kit, you'll receive a 5-button, 2-way LCD confirming transmitter and a 5-button, 1-way transmitter. Prestige claims up to a 1-mile operating range, which is impressive. You'll get fairly standard features such as automatic arming, automatic locking, and illuminated entry, along with multiple vehicle control and remote keyless entry. The system includes a multi-tone mini siren, starter interrupt, and dual-stage shock sensor with city mode. A total of 11 NOC outputs and 19 control options are available, along with 4 auxiliary outputs with 10 control options. It's also CarLink ready if you want to control everything from your smartphone. Programmable features include 24-hour time start mode, cold temperature start mode, 2 or 4-hour automatic start mode, and even a parking meter countdown timer mode on the LCD transmitter. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.